Good morning. Here you can see the topic, and before watching on board, you have already seen the thumbnail, and there you have seen the word nutrition. Yes, I am going to start from today a course on nutrition. Not exactly course. I'll make many videos on this subject. This is a subject you know. If you are a student of science, then you know that there is a subject which is called nutrition. Yes, this is a subject, this is a branch of biology or life sciences. You know this thing. And I think nutrition, this subject, should be included in school level for all streams, not for only science streams. Means within class 10 in our India, up to class 10, the curriculum is same for all the students. Okay. So I think since this is essential knowledge for all, and not only for the students, not only for the people who are studying something. This knowledge should be acquired by all the living beings. Means living human beings. I am not talking about other creatures. Anyway, so let's start. What is nutrition? You have an idea about nutrition. It is the right kind of food we should obtain and consume. Obtain from different sources and we consume. But the food should be right kind of food. Okay. Just obtaining a mango from tree, okay, that is the right choice. Because you know that this is mango, this is edible. But whether that mango is in good condition or in bad condition, that is not known to you. So before consuming that mango, you should have a knowledge about the checking procedure, whether it is in good condition or not. Though this is not possible, but just for example, I have told you this. Chicken for non-veg people, non-vegetarians. Chicken is a favorite item for all those people. Okay. But chicken cooked at high heat produces carcinogenic compounds. Carcinogenic compounds. What is the effect of carcinogenic compounds? It causes cancer in the body. So we should know that chicken or any other meat, fishes, this should not be cooked at high heat. Broiled chicken, grilled chicken, okay, roasted chicken, fried chicken, all these items are cooked at high heat. So if you cook these items, fishes or chickens or any other meats at high heat or for prolonged time, okay, or for prolonged time, then in those cases carcinogenic compounds are produced during cooking. And whenever you are consuming those things, you are consuming toxins. Carcinogenic compounds means those are toxins. So you are consuming toxins. So in the thumbnail you have seen that you were what you eat. Yes, this is true. You were what you eat. Because whenever you are consuming food, it is going inside your body. It is going to your body. And after digestion, it goes to the small intestine. And there it is stored or utilized from there for the overall functioning of the body. Okay? Overall functioning means the nutrients absorbed in the small intestine are utilized for the growth, for the repair of the tissues, for developing immunity power, etc. for preventing diseases. So that's why nutrients are required. And these things we collect by consuming foods from different sources. Okay, so this is just this lecture. This is my first lecture on this subject. So this is just introduction to nutrition. So what I want to say here in this lecture that just knowing the names of the foods is not sufficient. Yes, these foods are good for health. Tomato is good for health. Lady's finger is good for health. Parboil is good for health. Okay, fishes are good for health. Just knowing this thing won't give you good health. Yes, won't give you good health and well-being. For good health, for obtaining good health and well-being, overall well-being, you have to be very cautious. You have to acquire knowledge about a right kind of food. Okay. And also something about the cooking procedure. How the food should be cooked. Means raw foods need to be cooked before consuming. Okay. So how those raw foods or raw items should be cooked to get the optimal nutrition, that knowledge you should acquire. Okay. So anyway, this was the introduction to this subject, and what we obtain by consuming foods, all those things are known to you. Proteins are there, carbohydrates are there, fats are there, vitamins are there, minerals are there. Okay. So all these things and along with this, some unwanted things we consume, and those are called toxins. The substances which are not suitable for our body, or the substances which are harmful to our body, are called in general toxins. Okay. So we should be cautious about how to avoid those toxins during the consumption of food. Anyway, I think this should be the end of this lecture. After this, I'll take small topics and make videos. Okay, for you. If you are interested, please. If you like this video, not interested, if you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching this video.